If you want to start your website, the best time is now because you are getting a 20% discount on Hostinger exclusive and limited time, and that is 5,800 Indian currency discount you are getting. Now, the most amazing part, along with this, you will get a free domain that is for 1 year plus few business emails that is completely free for 4 year. Plus, the ultimate amazing part is you can get the full refund if it does not work for you. So before starting, there are few things you need to remember. First, use a new Gmail account who never used hosting a service. The Gmail may be new, may be old. Second one is use the link in description by which you can avail this discount. After clicking on this link, you will be on Hostinger page. Now simply click on service from above, then click on web hosting, that is here. After clicking on web hosting, you'll be on this particular section from where you can get best hosting for your website. Skip the previous one, that is premium, and now you have two plan, ultimate and cloud. These both two plan are great but quite similar. Cloud is for business website. Cloud can handle more and more traffic, millions of traffic. And if you go with unlimited plan, that is for starting a new blog, a portfolio, or maybe your college project. But if your college project is large, then you can go with cloud startup plan. Plus, in every part, you will get this free domain, okay, for first year, and both unlimited storage, website, and 50 GB storage here, 100 GB storage, and some additional benefit on cloud startup. That's why the price is double on cloud startup. And to start my online business, in this case, I will choose cloud startup plan. Now, after clicking, you will be on this page. Now, the most important part is for 48-month plan, the cost is $452, and now the cost is $8 per month. If you reduce your month to 24 or on year, the per month cost will be higher. Like for 12 months, it will like $10 per month, and for 24 months, that is 2 year, it is around $9 per month. So that's why we'll choose 48-month plan. Now, amazing part will be we will apply this coupon. Remember, first click on the link in description, then use this coupon code because this process is exclusive, and use this on a new Gmail account or you never use Hostinger. Remember this. Now apply this coupon code, and click on hit apply. Now you'll see for 48-month plan, you almost from $8 to $6 per month, and here you are getting $76 discount, almost $77 discount, plus free domain, daily backup, and unlimited Gmail, few extra month, .com domain, .net domain, and everything. Now simply choose your, click on continue, pay using card, debit card, credit card, and if you are from India, choose UPI and simply pay using your cards. One more important thing, if you want to pay using your UPI, then enable autopay for the first time because of payment. Then after payment confirmation, you can cancel the autopay by using your particular GPay or PhonePe app. This link and code are exclusive and limited. Don't waste your time, and this code is valid for 48 month, 24 month, and 12 month. No restriction is there. You can choose whatever you need, but 48-month plan will provide you best value because you can't start a website for 1 year. Okay, if you don't need it, you can sell it to your friends after 1 year. There are lots of options, but choose for 48 months, more discount you're getting. Ultimately, this is the exclusive code. If you want to purchase, if you need a website, start a website, buy it now.